Hey guys, my name's Ian, welcome to RubesTube, and today we have a little bit of a different video for you. Today I'd like to do a unboxing and first impression review of my new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in the Phantom Navy color. Now, when I saw these phones go out for pre-order, I liked Phantom Silver, the silver whatever the name is for that one, but it didn't come in the 256 or 512 gigabyte versions of it. So ended up choosing the Phantom Navy color. Kind of excited about it because Samsung kind of made it out to be a big deal. But so basically I just want to show you guys what it actually looks like, because looking online there really wasn't many pictures or videos that really showed the true color of this phone. And Samsung on their website had made it look like it's a very dark blue. It doesn't really show the blue, but I've started to see some other videos come up to where if you look at it in the sun and when the sun hits it, kind of gives it a brighter look. So I kind of wanted to do my own video to show you guys what it actually looks like and what you can expect if you have ordered this phone. So just came in today. Start. Open the seal. So, first glance, just the phone is covered. Take a little cover off of it. So now it still does have a protective cover on the back. On my previous phones I left it on, but probably because this one I really would like to see the color of it, I'll probably end up taking it off. But in the camera itself, this one has, instead of the normal black or color matched backing that the Phantom Black or the silver one had, this one actually has kind of a carbon fiber look to it, which I actually think is pretty cool. And it has a nice texture to it. It's not just all for looks. Take off a little protective backing. It's kind of hard to see again because of inside, but it's kind of a matte color, if you will, but the sun reflecting off of it, or the light reflecting off of it. I think it'll look different when we actually get it outside. Oh, looks like a fairly nice phone. Now, I currently have the S20 Ultra, so I upgraded for the S21, and already it seems like that the 21 Ultra is just a little bit lighter, but not by much. So stay tuned, get it charged up, and then take it outside to see if the color still looks the same. Alright guys, I'm outside with the new S21 Ultra, navy blue, Phantom Navy, and it's still a very dark type of blue, but in the sun, if you hit the sun just right, you can kind of get a decent glare of blue. I wouldn't say it's super bright, but it's nice. I like it. And the carbon fiber camera, I don't know if you can see it to focus on that, but I'm very pleased with the way the phone looks. I like it. Alright guys, so been using my new S21 Ultra for about a day now. I do really like the phone. I wouldn't say it's a huge upgrade from the S20 Ultra, but I do really like it, but I still haven't really put the phone to the test yet. If you guys have ordered this phone, comment below, see if there's anything that you like about it, anything that you don't like about it, and in a video coming up, we're going to be comparing the two cameras between the S20 Ultra and the S21. Thanks for watching, guys.